I was sent this Shop-Vac by the brand to go ahead and show you a product demonstration. I'm glad they sent me this because I do need this for my car and it's going to come in very handy. So first off, it comes with a mounting piece here and the screws. I'm not too sure if I'm going to mount it yet, but if I do, it holds both the fittings and the machine itself. So I'll go ahead and just use this one for the demonstration. You just put it in here. Oh, maybe you gotta put this in first. There we go. So this is it right here. That's the noise level of it, and this is how you open it. So you have your filter and where everything gets dumped into. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some powder on the table. Let's see if you can change this out. Yep. I'm gonna pour some powder on the table to go ahead and demonstrate this for you. See how good this thing works. So, there you see it's all inside. It's all inside the canister here. I'm gonna go ahead and dump that, and I'm gonna start using this for my car. But it is wet dry. You could pick up wet or dry debris.